Hi guys, a folding utility knife is one of the most versatile tools for DIY enthusiasts. You can use it for a myriad of functions, from stripping wires, opening carton boxes to cutting vegetables and butchering animals. Apart from giving you superior cutting power, you can easily fold the knife and put it in your pocket. Nothing beats the convenience of having complete access to an excellent folding utility knife whenever you need it. However, finding a good knife is one thing, getting the best one for the job is another. With so many options of varying types, designs, and sizes, the search can get overwhelming. So, let's get started. Number 10, Irwin FK100-1858318 Folding Utility Knife. This folding utility knives is here with the 43% price off. Now you can get it at around $10. You will love the silver and blue appearance that makes the knife stand out. You can easily spot it even from a distance. Moreover, the all-metal construction guarantees durability while the handle has cast finger grooves for a more comfortable and firmer grip. Other additional features include a wire stripper notch that makes the tool more convenient to use and an extended thumb to give you more comfort during use. You will also appreciate the belt clip that allows you to clip the knife on your person and carry it with you wherever you go. However, the Irwin Tools FK250 folding utility knife comes with a few drawbacks. First, the knife has noticeable blade play, which, although secure, can be quite annoying. Additionally, the pocket clasp is loose, and the knife will more than likely fall out of your pocket when you sit down. Lastly, it is too heavy and bulky. The next is Number 9, Fisar 7700301001 Utility Pro. This folding utility knives is here with the 52% price off. Now you can get it at around $13. You will appreciate the handle, which is ergonomically designed and includes deep grooves and contouring to give you multiple grips for more comfort and control. It also provides space for additional blades and can accommodate all standard-sized utility blades. The dual locking blade system includes a button that releases the blade when pushed and locks the blade solidly when not in use to prevent accidental blade release. Although it is possible to manipulate the mechanism with one hand, the button is not spring-loaded, and the system may need some getting used to. Overall, the Fisar 7700301001 Pro utility knife is overpriced. It also feels heavier and less ergonomic than required. Although you can perform several tasks around the house, you may need to buy a better model for heavy-duty jobs. The next is Number 8, Cobalt Utility Knife N11. Now you can get it at around $12. You will love the handle, which is ergonomically designed to fit comfortably into your hand and provide a firmer grip for more power and control. It is made from aviation-grade aluminum, which is incredibly hard, resilient, durable, and resistant to wear and tear. Additionally, the knife features a stainless steel clip that allows you to attach it to your belt and carry it with you wherever you go. The Cobalt utility knife is designed for easy use and maintenance. Its quick-change blade replacement system allows for easy switching of the blades when they become dull. The mechanism is also foolproof, thus guaranteeing safety during use. However, this knife is stiff and can be hard to open without oiling. One-handed opening is also tricky, and the blade wiggles significantly when secured. Moreover, the knife is too bulky and may easily fall out of your pocket. The next is Number 7, Workpro Folding Utility Knife. Now you can get it at around $16. The quick-change blade mechanism is fast and easy to use and will accept all standard utility blades. Although it locks them tightly, you should expect to feel a slight wiggle like in many folding utility knives. You will appreciate the belt hook that will help you carry the knife wherever you go. When you need to cut something on the spot, rushing to get a knife and scissors may not be a convenient option. With the belt hook, however, you can have a utility knife within your reach whenever the need arises. What we didn't like about the Workpro folding utility knife is its bulky nature. The knife is way heavier than your average folding knife. And although it may be appropriate to keep it in your car or toolbox, carrying it in your pocket may not be convenient. The next is Number 6, Klein Tools 44131 Utility Knife. This folding utility knives is here with the 7% price off. Now you can get it at around $17. The Klein Tools 44131 folding utility knife features a bright orange color that makes it easy for you to find it. Its ergonomic design combines with the rubber grip on the aluminum handle to offer you improved comfort and enhanced cutting ability. The handle also acts as a blade storage area and can hold up to 6 blades. You can, therefore, switch between blades quickly, even when you're far away from your toolbox. You only need a simple push of a button to remove and retract the blade. When closed, the blade locks for safer usage. Other additional features include a lanyard hole that allows for tethering and safekeeping and a wire stripping for added functionality. With the belt clip, you can clip the knife on your belt and carry it wherever you go. However, this knife needs improvement in certain areas. For instance, opening the blade with one hand can be difficult, and using 2 hands is not just inconvenient but also potentially dangerous. Additionally, the Klein Tools folding utility knife will not give you value for your money. The next is Number 5, Sheffield 12113 Ultimate Lockback Utility. Now you can get it at around $17. The Sheffield 12113 utility knife is an inexpensive option. It has a unique quick change system that enables you to switch the blades faster than traditional methods would allow. With this system, you can finally spend less time changing blades and more time being productive. Made from high-quality aluminum, the knife is built to last and will serve you for many years. It is also lightweight and compact, weighing just 4 ounces and measuring 4 inches in length when folded. You can, therefore, carry it in your pocket and forget it was ever there. The blade is made from stainless steel and is 2.5 inches long. With sharp and precise edges, you will have no trouble cutting through leather, cardboard, paper, or any other material. There's a one-handed opening to allow you to access the blade quickly. The next is Number 4, FC Folding Pocket Utility Knife. This folding utility knife is here with the 42% price off. Now you can get it at around $14. The Fancy i1B UK10 folding pocket utility knife folds in half when closed for compact storage. It weighs just over 5 ounces and has a length of 4.5 inches when folded. Therefore, it will fit in your pocket easily, allowing for quick retrieval. The knife is also easy to use. Pressing the button releases the blade and enables you to pull it or flick it open. Once released, the blade locks into place, securing it for safe and effective cutting. Pressing the release button again enables you to fold the blade back into place. However, since the release button is not spring-loaded, you will have to hold it down when pulling or flicking the blade open. Made mostly of metal, the knife has a nice and solid feel. Its anodized aluminum design makes it lightweight, rust-resistant, and durable. You don't need to worry about the knife backing out with heavy use. The next is Number 3, Milwaukee 48-22-1901 Fastback Press. This folding utility knife is here with the 30% price off. Now you can get it at around $16. The Milwaukee 48-22-1903 folding utility knife is a versatile option with many potential applications. You can use it for trimming shingles, splitting shims, cutting through drywall, and slicing through insulation. You can either open it fully or stop at 45 degrees to give you extra torque when dealing with challenging tasks. You get all the convenience because changing the blades is quick and straightforward. The integrated magnetic storage also enables you to carry additional ones, and the single-handed press and flip opening will allow you quick access. The wire stripper adds versatility and extends the knife's use, while the inbuilt gut hook allows you to make cuts when the cutter is still closed. Additionally, the belt clip enables you to hook the tool onto your belt and take it wherever you go. The next is Number 2, DeWalt DWT 10035L. Now you can get it at around $15. The DeWalt DWT 10035L folding retractable utility knife is the best folding knife for the money on our list. The black and yellow contrast is aesthetically pleasing, and its design is sleek, to say the least. It is also very compact and will fit nicely in your hand and pocket. You don't have to worry about durability even with heavy-duty use since the knife features a sturdy metal build. The handle is made from plastic with a rubber grip that not only feels comfortable but also gives you that extra torque when you need it most. Additionally, the handle doubles as a storage for the blades. It is easy to open and can hold a maximum of 3 blades, making it easy to switch between blades, especially when you are nowhere near your toolbox. Moreover, your safety is guaranteed since it is easy to open the knife deliberately but hard to open it accidentally. The only downside to this model is that the quick release button is a bit stiff. With that being said, this is the best folding utility knife for the money available this year. The next is Number 1, Klein Tools 44135 Utility Knife. This folding utility knives is here with the 12% price off. Now you can get it at around $25. With a Klein Tools 44135 folding utility knife by your side, you will always be ready for any eventuality. You can snap the blade open at a moment's notice with the effortless push of a button. The knife is also built with durability in mind. Its heavy-duty, durable construction guarantees it will remain by your side for many years to come. Additionally, its blades are designed for heavy use and will stay sharp for longer, and you don't have to worry about replacing them for a long time. You will also love the rubber grip handle, which is ergonomically designed to improve comfort and produce the extra torque required for more exacting cuts. It is hard to find fault in this knife. However, we felt the manufacturer would have made it easier to open the knife with one hand. Nonetheless, it is still our overall best pick. So this is the best option for you to buy.